Welcome real quick. I want to do this real quick, but before I do anything, what I want y'all to do, man, it's gonna be a little red box twirling around here. It should end up somewhere over here or over here. Go ahead and click that, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. I need some more subscribers. All right, now let's get on with this video. First of all, what I want to tell y'all, diagnostic wise, you got a PT Cruiser that has a no start. In other words, it's cranking. That's cranking, you're just not starting. So if you faced with one of those challenges after you just did some major engine work, meaning head gasket, valve cover, anything like that major, and now all of a sudden your PT Cruiser will not start, the crank won't start, here's one simple mistake you probably made that a lot of people make. Now, like I said, I can give away some of these secrets now because I don't hardly see the PT Cruisers in the shop no more. So what I want you to do, man, is probably what you did. This is probably what you did because it happens to some of the best of them. All right, under this, actually come up a little closer. I want you to see something because this mistake can easily happen. Between the cam sensor and the core. All right, come on, I'm gonna grab the camera and bring it to the car so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, man, so like I say, I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. I still got the plenum off on this one, so let me show you something. This is probably why. I told y'all, man, I'm about to give away all my PT secrets because we hardly ever see them here in the dealership anymore. So I figured I'd keep a lot of y'all up to date. But I want to show you something real quick and probably why that car won't start. Not crank. It's not a no crank issue. It's no start. Now, you see these two connectors? This one come off the camshaft and this one come off the core. But what's funny about these, or what's unique about these, is they the same connector. See that? In other words, one would plug into the other one. So if you ain't careful while you putting this engine together, you may have your harness over here and you just grab it and just the first one that's pointing toward the core, you might plug it in the core. Cause see, like I say, it'll fit. And you might plug this one into the camshaft because they each fit each other or fit one another. But one thing I want you to keep in mind is that core connector is controlled by the ASD. The ASD wire always green and orange. See that center wire right there? Come on, camera, focus. It's green and orange. So the core pack always take the connector with the green and orange wire in the middle. That's the ASD control. You know what an ASD does? It's an automatic shutdown relay, meaning in the event of a crash or something like that, and the computer doesn't see RPM, it'll shut everything off. Fuel pump, spark, ignition, everything. That's how important ASD relay system is. So in this case, this is what goes to your ignition core, and the other one goes to your cam sensor. So that's in the event you plug this into your core, you will not start. It will just spin over. All right, that's all I got, man. Real quick, I just wanted to let y'all know. Some of the shops don't even know that, so now maybe I can get them to subscribe to my channel and keep up with all the PT Cruiser repairs and things like that, you know, so you'll be up to date. But it's really for the do-it-yourself guy, man, that putting your head back together or putting your valve cover back together and you accidentally plug these wrong, you will get a no start. And this should take care of it. All right, thanks again for watching, man. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. And we're gonna talk about